Hi, this is Dharmesh Suryavanshi, founder and CEO of MindMap Factory, and today we're covering the 7 absolute key foundation principles of career building. So, if you're a college student, somebody who's just graduated, or if you're somebody who's just kicked off the career journey, then this video is for you. Did you know that career planning is one of the top 10 topics covered by Harvard Business Review? Well, that's true. And while that is a fact, a lot of people don't really approach their career in a systematic manner, especially at an early stage. So when you're getting out of college or when you're just starting off your career, we don't really think a lot about how to go about planning our career because unfortunately, the focus given on students, focus on career planning is found only in pockets. It's not something which is covered widely. And that's what we plan to change over here. So starting today, we're covering one foundation principle every single day that will help if you are an early professional, a college student, or somebody who's really focused on building a strong career. Whether you are already in a career or whether you are stuck in a tight spot, these principles will get you out of there and get you to the next level. So without further ado, let's get into our mind map. So, our 7 foundation principles. Of the 7, we are covering one each, like I said earlier. Let's start our foundation principles by knowing exactly where we are going, right? Yes, I'm talking about goal setting. Now, goal setting, although sounds very simple, sounds very easy, and has a 2-step process. Step 1 is planning your destination, identifying your goal, and step 2 is planning your way to get there. Sounds pretty easy, right? Well, it's actually not. It's a bit more complicated than that. Now, before we get into that, let me share one key fact with you. Now, as you move around, you will find that there are 3 kinds of people. One, the first kind, who don't really have any goals, they just go with the flow. Type number 2, people who have a goal in their mind but not really written down. And type 3, people who have a clear goal in their mind and have it written down, documented somewhere so that they can refer to it back again. Now, when it comes to the process of goal setting, there has been a lot of research done. And what the research says is that if you have a clearly written down goal, you are 30 times more likely to achieve it as opposed to somebody who just has a goal in their mind. Now, isn't that powerful? Isn't that worthy enough for you to just have a goal in mind and write it down as well? It doesn't take more than a minute and a half on a daily basis, right? So let's get down to how we write the goals and why is this process important. Now, there are two steps, like I earlier mentioned. One is writing the goal down, and second is to planning your way how to get there. Now, there are 3 types of goals: short-term, mid-term, long-term. A short-term goal is anywhere between 3 to 6 months, mid-term between 6 to 12 months, and long-term from 12 to 24 months. Yeah. Now, how do you write a goal? There's a proven template that people have used, coaches have recommended, and that template is called the SMART Goals template. The SMART Goals template simply stands for specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time bound. Now, if you are somebody who writes your goals in using this template, using this acronym, you're going to have a very clear view of what you're going to achieve, by when you're going to achieve it, why do you want to achieve it, and what is going to be the measurable outcome, what is going to be the measurable result. Now, this helps you clear a lot of clutter, and this helps you get rid of a lot of distractions that you will face as you plan to move further towards your goal. Now, so that's step 1, writing your goal down. Step 2 is a little bit more easier, but that much more important. Step 2, so you've written your goal down, and now you're working your way towards meeting that goal. But as you go through this journey, you will face a lot of challenges, you will face some distractions, you will see what I like to call, you will see a lot of shiny objects, and there's going to be a high possibility that you may digress from your goal. Now, how do you stay true to your goal and stick to it? I like to recommend the one win today formula. The one win today formula only helps you to keep a track of what you're achieving on a day-on-day basis and how you're going to move forward. See, we are living in a world of Instagram stories and Facebook stories. There are gone the days when people are actually reading an article, right? They want everything instantly. Now, when you go on to Instagram and Facebook, what you see are simply the highlight reels. You see somebody's 30-day transformation in less than 5 seconds. Yeah. Well, this one win today formula is going to help you achieve your 30-day transformation in a very systematic manner. And it's really very simple. All you got to do is step 1, write your goals down. And step 2, have one task, one activity planned on each day that you will check off. And by the end of that day, only and only ask yourself these 3 important questions. After you finish that task and after you've achieved that milestone, write down what did you achieve for that day. Step 2, write down why was this milestone so important to achieve? How did it serve your goal? And step 3, now that you've achieved this, how do you actually feel? And for me, the last question will keep pushing you forward to achieving your next milestone the next day. So that was goal setting. I hope this makes sense. If you like what we're covering here, then please do subscribe to our channel. Keep following us on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube, and share this if you find that you know somebody who's going to need this so far as their career building is concerned. Right? So thank you very much, and I'll see you again.